Hello, welcome back to part 51 of this video tutorial how to build a Pacman game in XNA. Please don't forget to buy the content. Send €2.95 to PayPal account XNAPacman 2013 at hotmail.com. We send the content in 24 hours to your email address. In this tutorial we're going to implement the fruit collision, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the fruit class to the object list. So go to the items class, and in the public section at the bottom we're going to say here public static fruit, and we call it fruit. Represents the fruit object, and now we need to add it to the object list. So in the initialize method, after the fruit strip, we can say here add the fruit object to the object list. So object list dot add fruit is new fruit. Alright. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to define some private variable, and we're going to do that in the Pacman class. So go to the Pacman class, and in the private section after the bool flag we're going to define a bool here. So private bool, and it's called the fruit 70 done. Keeps track if we have set up the fruit at 70 dots. And another bool, so private bool fruit 170 done. Now we can copy the comment just like this, and we change it to 170. Alright, and the next variable is a point. So after the sound effect we can say here private point, and we call it the fruit map position. Represents the fruit map position. Alright, and the last variable is a sound effect. So after the energized sound we can say here private sound effect, and we call it the eat fruit sound. The sound of eating fruit. Alright, and now we need to load the sound file. So go to the load content methods, and here at the bottom load the eat fruit sound. So we can say here eat fruit sound is content dot load, and we're going to load a sound effect. And now we need to copy the sound file. So if you have by the content, go to your zip folder, and in the sounds folder we need the Pacman eat fruit sound file. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it in our Pacman content project in our sounds file. So we're going to paste it here in the sounds folder. So now we have the eat fruit WAV file. Alright, now we can say here sounds Pacman eat fruit. Right? And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build the check fruit collision function. And that's a private void check fruit collision. And we're gonna pass in a point translate the world to map coordinates. So fruit map position is equals to the utils dot world to map, and we're going to pass in a new vector too. And now we're going to use the items dot fruit dot position dot x and the items dot fruit dot position dot I plus 8. Alright. And if there is collision, so if point is equals to the fruit map position and items dot fruit dot is alive. Right? Play the eat fruit sound. So eat fruit sound dot play, and the volume is 0.2, and the pan and the pitch are 0. So 0, 0. Alright. Reset the fruit timer. So items dot fruit dot timer dot reset. Set the new fruit time for the next time. So items dot fruit dot timer dot value is equals to items dot fruit dot get new time value. Right? Disable the fruit. So items dot fruit dot is alive is false. Add the player's score to the player's total. So here we're going to say items dot player db, and we're going to use the game 1 dot current player for the index dot score plus equals items dot level db, and we're going to use the level db dot count for the index, and we need the bonus points, right? Draw the score on the screen, and now we can say here that the items dot fruit dot score dot value is equals to items dot level db, and the level db dot count for the index dot bonus points, items dot fruit dot score dot position is equals to items dot fruit dot position, and items dot fruit dot score dot is alive is equals to true. Right? Check for fruit collision. And that's the map position of Pacman. Check fruit collision. Alright. That's the check fruit collision. And I'm going to finish the tutorial here. And in the next tutorial we're going to finish the fruit collision. Alright. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.